change. The Sampoornata Abhiyan was officially launched today in Nongpoh district with the aim of achieving saturation in 6 indicators through the National Institution for Transforming India Niti Aayog. The event took place at Parish Hall, Nongpoh, and was attended by 4 MLAs from Nongpoh, namely Meral Bonds Aim, Sostenes Sotun, and Damanbait Lamare. Also present at the event were Nongpoh Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Banarwal, Surinder Mehra, IFS, and Niti Aayog and others. Niti Aayog's focus areas include health, education, agriculture, industry, infrastructure, social inclusion, and environment.
Was conceptualized by Niti Aayog with Subhaya Bhakti, Felix Wakando of the Supplementary Nutrition Program, sir.
Basically, it is about the achievement of certain targets which are monitored in the field through 40 key performance indicators. So out of these 40 key performance indicators in this launch program, we have taken up 6 indicators for which we are planning to achieve.
The target is by 30th of September, there are 6 indicators across health, nutrition, education and agriculture that we are supposed to receive 100% saturation. So today was the formal launch of the same program.
DD News spoke to a few stakeholders from the Education and Agricultural Department regarding the key performance indicators. During the launch of Sampoornata Abhiyan, prizes were awarded to winners of a marathon and a poster competition. Additionally, beneficiaries received soil health cards and took home rations for identified pregnant women. These indicators are essential for promoting holistic development in the region. Nongpoh Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Banarwal stated that the central government's mission through Sampoornata Abhiyan is to achieve saturation in the 6 identified indicators within 3 months.
And now here is the